So today I'm going to be talking about Ignite Shelter online classes. So as you all know, life under the lockdown has limited us in our activities and our daily schedule. So to take Ignite classes online, it's comfortable returning to our daily activities or daily routines. It brings back to a certain level of normalcy. And by taking online classes, we are able to keep the children mentally engrossed, keep them in high spirits, and mainly we're able to teach them that they should treat every situation as an opportunity to learn and grow. So now that we've moved Ignite to online classes, we had to make certain adjustments towards our learning curriculum. We've included emotional intelligence, mental health check-in, and meditation as part of our daily activities in our classroom. So through all this, there are certain challenges that we face as well. When you're conducting online classes, it's difficult to keep the entire classroom engaged throughout the entire duration. It's difficult to motivate and encourage children on a one-on-one basis. So here we've implemented a variety of strategies by illustrious presentations with audio visual media. We use interactive games, icebreakers, group activities, so several other an array of opportunities we have here to keep the child entertained throughout the classroom in an educational format. So now we come towards the now what will be the long term goal of this online classes. So here we should always ensure that no matter what, the supplementary education that we provide to these underprivileged children, it should always continue, and that once this pandemic or this lockdown ends, the children don't feel that they're at a back foot as compared to their counterparts as well. So I guess my takeaway from this entire experience as being part of Lakshya for almost a year now is that I've always had someone I can speak to, someone I can rely on, someone to be my cushion whenever I've had to deal with difficult times or whenever a day has not been good for me. So I guess what it would feel like to not have someone around you, so it gives me comfort in being able to be that person for the kids and to build a rapport with them if they're able to like reach out to you and speak to you and even uh, leave an impression on them as well. So it's, I guess that's my main takeaway, is that I'm able to be a person who they seek to for guidance.